Hello guys, in this video I found a glitch on Eagle Group that you can fly without the flight. Let's do. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know how to play, but I can just try it. I can just hop. Can do this, but you are so slow. And just hold it, and there you go. Fly around like an eagle. And by the way, if you like the video, subscribe. Bye. Here we go. Chat. Bye, guys. See you next time.